I think it's from South Africa, said that Africa must be liberated, Africa must unite as one. They held the meeting the first time and it seems as if it was going to work. At the last end, Indishoji betrayed their own brother. Libya that is so ungovernable today, which people sold him, is it not African leaders? The Africans and his citizens there. Ndiara. No African man can be liberated. As I speak to you, do you know that as I'm talking this thing now, some of them are using their data to watch me. They're angry with me. Why are you angry with me? You don't even know why you're angry with me. Then why are you watching? Since you are not happy with me, why are you still watching me? You don't even know. Why? Because your brain is not functioning. See, you are not created to absorb or accept the truth. That is why teachers in Africa, those days in primary schools, when you people close from school, you discover that some students, okay, yes, Ghana, you discover that some fellow students will go on the road and stand and wait for their teachers to stone them block. Why? Because he or she was teaching and he did not understand and he disciplined you. That is all. Oh. You go on the road and begin to pick stones to break the head of the teacher. Now, this simple scenario, who is to be blamed there? The government, the teacher, or that little idiot whose parents raised violently? Now I want to tell you who to be blamed. That's why I made a video and that Konuche Dibia with the BS was talking nonsense because he's an idiot. Him, his children, all of them are idiots because from his part of knowledge and the way he reasons, that man will be raising some bunch of idiots who will no longer reason like human being. I need to, one day I will sit Fabian beside me. You hear the voice of my little son talking. You hear that sense is being transferred. You hear that wisdom can be transferred. You need to hear him speak. Every insecurity you see, any chaos you see anywhere in the world, every bandit or terrorism organization you see in Africa is being sponsored by the government. They are aware. If it is not sponsored by them, then they are beneficiaries of it. Let's put it that way. Because you cannot tell me that I will sit in Douglas' house and the ordinary at my backyard there. Do you know the distance from government house to Umuaka? Just a stone throw. It's a stone throw. It's just about 10 minutes to Umuaka. And somebody will be blowing AK-47, kidnapping people at the back there while you sit as the governor. If such thing happens 3 times under your watch as a governor, leave office. You are highly incapacitated and does not have the capacity, the withal courage to combat insecurity. Leave office immediately. Now listen to me. A situation whereby a student or a young child was flogged or caned in her school, his or her school, and the child leaves and waits for the teacher on the road and starts throwing stones on the teacher. The first person to be blamed is the government. How do I mean? In Rivers State, a law was made recently, I think around last year or last 2 years, that before you run a primary school, you must be a PhD holder. Or at least at minimum you must have a master's degree. Now, I listened to the Honorable Commissioner of Education that day while they were analyzing those things. So some of the some of the Commissioner of Education office members and officers was like speaking on camera, and one said that I underlined, I had to write that in down. The woman said there are approaches to confrontations of ignorance. Take cognizance of this. She said that a well-trained and well-equipped teacher does not need a cane to teach a child. But the cane can be kept as sample or symbol of humility and respect. But the conduct and the braveness of the teacher is what is impacted to the children, into the lives of the children, and not cane. There I learned that you don't need to cane a child. Not every day in primary school, you flog a child, and some of these teachers can even flog your child on the head, and that one will go mad. You and I knows how this brain is. Wisdom. You cannot impart wisdom on anybody with cane. It will never work. You only turn that child to a boogie, according to my grandfather. You turn that one to Django. But when you do things the right time, you make a child understand that you need to be here at so time, and this is what you need to do. Just instruct your child and leave it and go. The same way a child wakes up and says, Daddy, I'm hungry, or Mommy, I'm hungry, is the same time and mentality the child will still use. And remember, I left my book outside. That child goes and brings it in. The Bible says, and I quote, he said, train a child in a way he or she will grow, that when they grow, they will never depart from it. Training and caning is not the same thing. If you cane a child in a way that child should grow, that child will turn up and start caning the society. My name is Governor Ezioku. This is where I will leave you. Wisdom is not sold like akara in the market. Wisdom is something you can acquire when you listen to people. Impartation of knowledge comes through the words of the mouth. If the heavens and the earth were created by the spoken words of a particular spirit, of which exalt and lives as God Almighty, then you have the power to create your world by the things you support, the things you do with your bare hands. Where your mentality goes, where your thinking runs, that's what creates your world. Some people sat down and they think out America. They created it. Today, all of you idle thinkers are now thinking on how to go to America. What you think produces whom you become tomorrow. This is where I will leave you. Don't be surprised at my words. Everything I say is very simple. Somebody said he has a question for me. Please, in 1 minute, Oyema, could you please ask the question in 1 minute before I leave here? He said, you have a question here. Indirectly, as I speak, just in 1 minute, I needed to either speak here. You write or you ask me your question. Otherwise, you can also get my number. Okay, somebody says, Governor Zoku, you leave your... Okay, I'll say, Governor, you live in the Zion that took your community... a committee and that, and you don't even know how to write. You wrote committee. Write community. Edit it and write it well. Olodo. Hold on, bring down your comment. Come here. Olodo. Ana kuzi here na school numba hine hion ena chok hine tokpo ena cause problem. Wanyi doso kwa careless inyo one school ni begi. Sense was shifted from you. All those while. Where is that your comment now? Let me block you. Mpama. I left Zion and I'm talking about that one. Zion Obundo Shiala now. Did I hide to tell you that they are land grabbers now? I talk until tomorrow. Now Abundo Shiala. Did you see me hide to? I don't need to sing it often. I've said it. If they have capacity, they should take action now. Not be to the rant. They won't them mother why you came and you stole land from my place. You're a land grabber. You and whoever offered you see or for all of you are illegals. And I kept saying, I don't know why you tried to drag me back to that place. Why is that idiot? Let me block you now. Is it Prince again? Are you the one that wrote that in? Come and get away from here, you. Look at your head. Is it the one that wrote that in? Somebody should remind me, please. Onyema, I say, can we stop about this blame game and talk about solution? Which solution? It's this Prince. So yeah, come and get away from this page. Thunder Babu Opage that place. See in sense. Thunder may all prove your ability to thunder before the channel my Thunder Babu Opage. Come and get away from here, you. You be dragging back to Matter and Desire on Uzuru Shala na my place. Must you drag me back to that matter? Thunder Babu Opage that place. Come and get away from here, you. Onyara. So long blocking. I'm gonna have one egg here. Can't the idiot to talk and block or comment. Those idiots, them, I don't know what is wrong with them. I block Gomia, block that idiot. I blocked them by my immediately. I don't need to spare any idiot. What I block. How real life they loyal? You see all those who real life they loyal. I don't give a fuck with them. I don't give a fuck with them. It's either you have sense. You'll be teaching or you'll be saying something that is something that will even benefit their miserable future. I think I'm one of those people who spare you. Yeah? Or you tell me if you are there, am I paying anything to follow me? You are getting from following me, my friend. If I get any of them here, I block that one immediately. You don't need to be there now. You can't be there. Maybe after drinking beer, it does a balita a cover, you know. I block any idiot that fails to have sense, because let me tell you one thing, evil communication corrupts good manner. Even in schools, even in higher institutions, they suspend people. Are you aware? They expel people out of the school. They expel you. They will expel you immediately. How can you be in one university for 13 years? A Goga how to drive a grave? Are you studying how? For you to be in any higher institution for 15 years, you are finished. But a Goga, are you studying Guru Maharaj? Or are you studying the grave of Jesus Christ? Or are you studying how to destroy the world? Even if you are studying how to become dangerous than Osama bin Laden, must it take you 15 years? In one higher institution, at Chuoge, they will expel you immediately. So if you have anybody who chooses not to learn, you bar that person out immediately. You have to call me shortly. Don't small time. Ayamazi, come and get away from here, you. Come and get away. Get away. I have more 2 minutes to spend here. Let me suspend you. If I get you here next time, man. Don't care how they feel. You want to call me? Somebody said they want to call me. Let me drop my number there. So pick my number and call me. Don't listen to any. The worst thing you can ever do in this life is to associate yourself with an idiot. Don't wait for them. Life is too short for you to wait for anybody to act right. Oh. There are people who were leading, they were waiting for people to act right. The people they were waiting to act right, bite them. Don't wait for. You don't know. If you want to know what time means, go to America. Don't wait for anybody to act right. Oh. Don't wait for any idiot at all. Hold on, let me commit my number there. 090 64 23 57 and 45. 090 64 23 57 45. So that's my number. I've dropped it there. You can always use it to call me. And call me on WhatsApp if it's not going on direct call. So in your entire life, let me tell you, hold on. Yeah, hello. 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 Somebody will call me and doesn't even know that I've picked the call. You know. Man. So everyone was listening to me. My name is Governor Ezioku. I'm going to leave you here tonight and I'll see you some other time. Always participate in our wisdom class. Wisdom class is going to help you. In our wisdom class, I'm going to be sharing knowledge, deep wisdom, and I pray. Even if you don't understand me when you are angry at your quiet time, kindly look back into my messages and listen to them. And I can assure you, you're not going to go the same. You'll have something to talk about, something to celebrate about, okay? Hello. Yes, my name is Governor Ezioku. I am speaking to you from a live section. You want me to put it on loudspeaker? I can't hear you. Your voice is down. All right, please go ahead. Hello.
I can hear you more. The Igbos. I'm from Delta State anyway, so I will not say I'm not Igbo. I'm from Anioma.
Okay.
The Igbo speaking part of Delta.
You're welcome.
And I have relatives in Ono, Umuaka. My dad's only sister is married in Imo State. The painful thing is, do you people know that many people are not even aware that there's ongoing war in Okigwe and Ono? I speak with my cousin every day, and we are thinking about taking them out from that village. But this evening I was telling my brother, how long will this continue? Since 2017, I have not visited East. You know, we keep on talking about the ongoing problem without solution. I think the best way is for the people of Imo State to arise and go and protest in Abuja. Because all those men, all those House of Assembly, all those senators, House of Rep, they don't really care. But one thing I can tell you for free is that they are scared of what happens in Abuja, because they know if the president is find out that they are not using the money, the allocation given to their state to take care of the people, then the government might stop supporting them, giving them the allocation, because they're not using it for the people. The president will keep on releasing money. What have our senators done? I was listening to Isini the other day. What have the people of Anambra, his village, what have they done for him? He's not suffering suspension. Where is the protest about illegality? Another election has been conducted in Imo State local government. The same thing that happened in 2023. Why this thing happened? See, let me tell you, you see, asking for division is not the best way to go about this. Nigeria is not even as big as Alaska in USA. Who is telling us that there are not people with grievances about how Trump is handling matters? But you take it to your state government. I think the Igbo governors are benefiting from this insecurity. This is how Boko Haram started in the north. In 2015, I voted against Goodluck. After being from my region and my zone, I don't even care. What we wanted was a better Nigeria. And who is telling us that if we vote in a president and he's not doing what we voted him for, there is no crime voting them out. We should keep on voting until we get it right. And all these picking up arms, they gave them amnesties for how many weeks now? The boys have not accepted it. And we keep on shouting, the government is killing our people, they are killing our people. See, this will not stop. This thing will still happen. Like the 2023 election that happened in Rivers State. That was what happened for the local government election now. That will also be what will happen in 2027. We can have sold the mandate of the Rivers people. And he's now like an emperor. There is no difference between him and Adolf Hitler now. He is thinking about tomorrow. Let the people of the Igbos, the Igbo youth, we should stop looking for a messiah. We should stop waiting for one prominent person. Why are we looking down on the masses? How many are they, even these politicians we are talking about? Everything that is happening in Igbo land is caused by the mindset that if we divide, things will get better. How many of us have questioned
my brother, let me help you on this.
Okay.
I say something related to that, whereby you will introduce your own idea to this. Go and check what is happening in Igbo land. If you bring your own idea on how to combat this whole thing, You will,
Okay.
you will, hold on. You will realize that some of the youths
are useless.
They will start fighting you day and night.
Yes.
You see, like I don't know if you noticed what happened a few minutes ago. I was on this live broadcast here.
I watched you.
While I was talking, somebody went and brought in Zion.
Don't mind them. That's how they.
God.
The thing that they do to destroy this country is religion and tribalism. I was watching. I was on Instagram when I saw a lady that died because of there is no doctor on ground in general hospital. In general hospital, and people are on media making noise. It will still happen. Africa is the only place that is still praying for safe delivery. Our women are dying. Our people are having kidney failure. What is even my benefit as a Nigerian? What have I benefited from being Nigerian? Now we think to divide is the solution. No. Sometimes when I talk, I comment. When I criticize our Senator Ned, that would be like, leave him now. You are just wasting your time. I say, okay, even though that I leave Nigeria now, I travel. I have the capacity to travel. What about my cousins? What about my niece? What about my nephew? Our parents were cowards. I just take it for free. They were cowards. If they fought for our future, we won't be in this mess now. Are we going to? That is the bigger picture we should be asking now. The solution, not just tiger bees or whatever they are called.
The solution is this. The solution is this, my brother. Let me answer you so that I'll be able to take other calls. Let me just thank you for being great, and thank you for saying. I think you said you're an Igbo person, right?
I'm from a Kanotis. I'm
Are you an Igbo person or not? That's what I want to ask.
I'm Igbo now. I'm an Igbo boy.
Now, an Igbo person, let me tell you, our own part of Igbo, because not only we get the Igbo land. It's like one day an Akwa Ibom man told me to shut up, that he's an Igbo man. I tried to argue with him. The man told me to shut up my mouth, that he's more Igbo than me. And I was thinking that maybe his maternal home is Igbo or thereabout. The man proved to me that he's the owner of the main Igbo. And I kept quiet immediately, because we don't tell a man his identity. A man tells you whom he is. And the man told me whom he is. So, do I need to argue him? No. Now, our own part of Igbo, such as Imo. I want to touch Imo. Don't know about other places. So, in Imo State, our people are too emotional and sentimental to what is right.
I always see the way they criticize you because of Zion. I'm always seeing you.
These people told me, they were insisting on social media that Zion has brought development to my own place. I said, how? Is Zion supposed to bring any development to me when we get allocation from federal government? It's like one shifting his responsibility. See, when you see a young lady feeding his family when his parents are still active and alive, you know that his parents raised him to become raised her to become a harlot. There is no two ways about it. You get what I'm saying now?
Yeah.
Should Zion come and tie road for me, or of which they don't even have the capacity? They don't. I repeat that they don't have the capacity. You know
how many kilometers can they?
How many kilometers can they do now? Do you know why our people are very stupid? They fail to understand that contribute 3 billion naira and give to a man. That man should go and invest it in his own local government and tie road. I believe he could still do, at least sincerely, he could still achieve about 20-kilometer road. Sound with drainage. A black man will not contribute money to do such thing. No. The only place you see Igbo man will contribute money to do road is in Lagos. In their own place, they will lose their brain. If Igbo man is coming back to his village any December, the Igbo man is not coming to add any help to anybody. He's only coming to show pride. What's up on Imo? Anambra they to the better. And in the women could tie road. You know why Imo State people don't tie road? They hate they hearken to the words of their mother. Their mother told them that they should not be in good time with the other neighbor. They grow with sentiment. That's one thing most people grow with.
Very funny. We keep on looking for one which blaming spirituality for our lack of thinking for ourselves. Must we keep on looking for a Messiah? For how long?
They are praying to God. God will anoint me. The Lord will bless you. The Lord will stupid people.
Sorry to divert attention. I just said that it's that will take just instead. It will happen again.
Yes, it will.
That's somebody in this country. So the youth now to be speaking about how to make Dangote take responsibility going forward to be reckless driver, and they should stop employing people that are not licensed. Because the officers should be starting any transport.
Oga, my brother, see you. Don't even pray that Dangote should employ any licensed driver, because let me tell you one thing. In Nigeria, if you want a driver's license, do they test you as they test in America? The answer is no.
No.
Here,
to
just go to any driving school. You don't even need to, because now the road safety, as they do demand for driving school certificate. Driving school will give you the certificate for 10,000. You will take the license, the certificate to road safety. You see those people on uniform, they are a bunch of idiots now. If you look at them, just look at how they are dressed. These are well-dressed idiots. Anybody you see under uniform in this country, fear that person. You know, one person you should fear. It's like when a pastor tells you, God bless you, sir. Once he says, God bless you, stay careful. The same idiots will not use that their road safety vehicle to go and test you if you can drive. They will give you a license. 2, do you know that you're supposed, before they issue you license, do you know that you're supposed to undergo drug test?
See, sorry, that's another future problem loading on its own. The abuse of drug. That's another another tragedy that will happen in 5 to 10 years time that the people don't know, because now most of our youth are into fraud. They don't go out from their houses. They buy different pills. They do different kind of drug, and we have NDLE. You will catch somebody with contraband drugs, and you don't even bother about how to help this person to come out from drug lifestyle. I think we should even be thinking about how to help our brothers from different communities apprehending all those dealers. I think the main problem is not the people taking the drug. The main problem is the government allowing the dealers.
The way they compromise things here. My brother, thank you very much. Let me take other calls. God bless you. I'd like to speak to you some other time. Thank you. Governor Zogo is my name. Greetings from here. Do I have your permission to put it on loudspeaker? Oh yeah, off the other phone you're using to watch me, please. That one is reflecting here.
Okay, let me do it. I think the main problem is not the people taking the job. Okay, good evening, huh?
Good evening, you're here now. The whole world is listening to you, please. You are still, the other one is still on now. Off it.
Yes, I have off it now. I can hear you.
Go ahead.
Yeah, my brother, good evening. My name is Henry Tochukwu Seya J. Umuaka Seya J.
Seya J. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, my brother, I'm Moyi Seke in here at a local government.
Okay.
Yeah, and this here insecurity. The last time I'm not at my community was 2021. And I've been in Ghana. The last time I was at my community was 2021. And all kita can be an hour. This onya such mentality. And I say, you forget you iPod, because now all that now these people are they're gonna have community. Yeah. Okay, these people plant a bomb near my house. And I'm maybe in my community. Some of them in their community have on the iPod does not know now support on the iPod does not know maybe that some of our communities. I know how much support. I know how much personally more contribute. I know how many million I contributed for guy where food and security by the okay. I'm not working with the truth. I don't know what get to I can praise myself. And I contribute to some other people contribute to what. Yeah, and here some people are gonna my brother Governor Zogu, I can send you evidence. Some of our youth put on their confessions. And the other working here no iPod kobo. Mana MSC how about for that no criminality and some of them put that. But you know where some of our brothers in the Igbo so contribute to what is going on in our Igbo. They will not understand. They keep on supporting and be giving them money to be doing it. Now, even some of our communities, if we call on them mother, if we open them mother, if we been the young boy, if we been the young boys. Young boys in young boys in a criminality. A lot of my brother, you in my community, you will cry. And therefore, okay, our youth put our platform, and when we youth platform, therefore some people put on okay the Ibiafu, you know, I'm expecting and they got football in the 40, 30 years. You got football 20 years, 18 years, 19 years. You don't know what the truth.
No, wow.
You don't know what the truth. I can send you some names. You will get. The oldest among them for 45 years. The oldest among them for 45 years. And the only thing I have I feel the members and and then as over the deep banner. And every man over ana begidi bana beti bana ya were mama ki abu mmadu onye ahụ Biafra ka ọ na-azụzi and onye isi ha keta na n'ime onye isi ha keta na n'ime also people in my community na platform. Nobody was ready to speak. People were afraid because you could have more begoko. I'm many people who could na platform. I'm on the I'm many people who could na platform. I'm on the behoko. This lady has such mentality. Because more, I check you go have profile. If you don't let it go, now we are saying, can this thing no name? Na Nindinia, come a community. So that's go well hot here na menu. Ndine Furana Bafa, Ndine Furana Bafa, I have Bundisi iPod, na Bundisi ESN and all those things. Every day na Facebook, always some them are how about those people are somebody get report to again? I say give your bank data. I got report to go, and nobody tell them data. They will come and they will send you a letter. Here you were in the that. Here, they will come and burn your house. They will come and burn your house. And is it the man ego? Is it the man ego? They will still come and burn your house. They'll be threatening you.
One of my friend. One of my friend in Ihube Okigwe paid 850,000 before he made burial on a compound. As I speak to you, Lanya in Okigwe, every one man Emeka Okoronkwo. His brother was kidnapped. Barrister Obiageri, San. This man, Hagara Bulu Yoko, Chupu, destroy your things no lawyer. San no lawyer no room we are. Only Abokwa government official. Then, another man about Chukwemeka Ngu, the man who DSS boss before. He's one of the DSS senior officials in Abuja. Only maybe one human being arrested in his village before. The whole Ihube. Only detained one person. In fact, in Ihube, maybe people arrest before, they will call this man. This man will rescue. Once, even if he must take the boy, this man gazowage. This man gazowage immediately. My brother, do you know that they burnt down this man's house? And when you're mass. They also burned his house down in Ihube. The traditional law of Ihube, like this. My brother, go ahead.
My brother, always some people not at this platform. Amaro, Odafo, Aiwabunde. For example, Abmoni Seke. And I'm without fighter. And the people are saying it. They are saying Nana support IPOP now. On what year a political killing? Such mentality on what year a political killing now, Baba, or political killing. You have IPOP. This is IPOP. Stop saying political killing. Where a criminal political killing? I see. Any man bunda who na on the IPOP, no just send the rego from abroad. So even as a political killing, I don't believe in that.
Okay.
Confirm IPOP. They asking in one on where the Biafra. They will kill you, and I don't know to the extent of people forcing people to join Biafra for Afro na meba na eme. Each one the mother ko buru Biafra. Oburo by force. They will kill you. And I don't know to the extent
Udode, my brother, thank you for your contribution.
Brother, thank you for your program because your program always enlighten us.
Thank you.
Yes, kita boss mumu.
Udode. Good, thank you very much. All right, we are our brothers from, it's 8 minutes to 12. Where are our people from Umuaka? Are you still afraid of calling this number? The number there is 091 07064235745. The number is attached there. And I want to ask you, are you still afraid to talk? Are you still afraid? Why are you afraid? Do you know that some of us can still keep quiet and ignore you? And I want to ask our people, Honorable Isienyi, who stood to what is right. The number is tagged there. The number is 09064 090, in case if you're writing it down, 0906423 57 and 45. You can reach me on WhatsApp or on direct call. And it's just some minutes to 12. Just about 7 minutes. What has the people done to defend this young man who was suspended by the speaker who was also elected? I know Speaker Anambra State House of Assembly. You come across my video. So don't be an idiot. Don't be an idiot. You are losing it. I don't know why. When they elect people and they begin to act like animals, I don't know why. It bothers me. It baffles and in fact, I'm concerned about it. Hi, listen to me. Do you know that in Imo State, in 2027, all these state assembly members who has not said anything, they will be running again. The Federal House of Representative members who failed to speak up right now, do you know they will be contesting again? The member representing in Njaba local government, who represents these Umuaka people, he will be running again for state assembly. What is he going there to do? Did they settle you with that particular portfolio or office? Are you not supposed to be talking? When I see, let me tell you, all the state assembly members in Imo State, I don't respect any of them. They are just touts before me. They are nothing before me. One, I'm richer than you. Two, I'm comfortable than you. Three, I have the courage to speak. Four, I have knowledge more than you. Lastly, you are an idiot. I don't have no apologies. There is no, if I apologize, make I die. You are an idiot for representing your people and you cannot talk. Now, somebody asks a question, they say, who do we trust now? Now, who you trust is go to your constituency. Go and look for someone that has sense. Begin to rally around him. Make sure he's duly elected. Don't do it because that person is close to you. Don't do it because, like in my place, you know what they do? One idiot is about running for State House of Assembly. And when it's time, I'll talk to him. And he's one of those people who commits so many atrocities and that and all that. And the only thing he knows is that he knows how to give money. He knows how to call Port Harcourt branch and give them 1 million naira. He knows how to do. And plans evil against people. That's all he does. My people knows who is who. They will not vote the right people. That's just the problem. So if you want to curtail insecurity today, in Njaba local government, Njaba self, at this point, they've lost it. Because how would they be able to come out to vote? How is that possible? Can they do that? The answer is no. They can't even do that because the time to do that is gone. It's gone right now. They can't do that. So, you know what? When I came out to run for the position of the chairman, for chairmanship, no, don't say elections are bought and rigged. My brother, don't go that way. Let me clear you. You cannot rig where you are not popular. You see, as I am, you can't rig me. What I only need is for the people to vote and follow instruction. My type, you can't rig me. Now me they tell you, no, they fear say they go rig election. It's not easy to rig election, no. Nothing, not be my man, you. You can only rig this one they did in River State now. That's the only one you can rig. Now, see, let me tell you. In your polling unit, look at how this thing works. You see, in Honorable Isienyi's constituency, his local government, the governor of Anambra State cannot win him there. You know if you win them. Now, like, except if the people want. I will tell you, I will explain. Hello? Good evening. I'm speaking to you from a live broadcast. You like to talk to me in the private? Please get back to me shortly. Now, let me tell you how this thing works. You cannot rig. It's not easy. It's not an easy process. Now, in a local government, in every local government, elections are rigged with the people there. The machinery is there. When they agree, that's when they can rig. Now, what the first thing you do before they rig is you create reorientation amongst the people. Once they vote, they will stay there and protect the votes. Listen to me now. Somebody said that the recent election in Onitsha was massively rigged. Thank you very much. Thank you. Good night, my brother. You can sleep while I continue. I will leave here shortly. Now, elections are rigged when the people allows it to be rigged. I will tell you something tonight. Now, see, when the people vote and protect their votes, you cannot rig it. When they vote and protect their vote, two things are involved here. Now, when they vote from the polling unit, they will escort it to the ward collection center. The same people, one of you should just volunteer yourself. Talk to the youths. Convince them, because they easily get tired, because they see it as a public something. Once they vote, after voting, they will count it there at the polling unit. Every polling unit, they will count it there. From there, they will carry it to the ward collection center. Each ward has collection center. My local government will have 11 wards. It didn't no need miracle. It didn't no need prayer. If you see any pastor who tells you that he prayed and God announced the result and this person won election, that pastor is an idiot. He is a verified idiot. This has nothing to do with Holy Ghost and anointing. It is practical. And I mean, they tell you, forget. That's why the northerners will still flog their chest and tell you that they can do this, they will do it. If the North tells you that they will vote you and they will do it and you can't do anything. Listen to me. If you vote, you count it, you ensure. Be a big boy in your community. Be a big boy in your ward, in your booth. Then go count them there. Once they count them, you see, say, the person where you want don't win for there. Follow up. When they want to register party returning officer, be part of it. Even if you're not part of it, use your bike, use your motor, use everything, make you to mobilize. Follow to ward collection center. From ward collection center, the ward collection officer will collect it. Enter it there. One of them go to watch. I mean, no fee manipulate. Even I mean, no fee do anything. They will collect it from there and move from there to the local government. Una go follow him. Don't leave him to go alone. He will pass change it. All of you will follow him. Some go join him inside that motor. Some go even carry him for Okada. Life. Una go, they go straight to local government. Press away pass and go meet him. Whoa. You to don't announce from road yourself. Say, now this their person. Now they want to. Now he don't win. No. They don't they post both for social media. They don't they make call. He has one in social word. He has one in social word. He has one in social word. The announcement is already on the social media everywhere. They will follow him to the local government. If they get to the local government, before the ward collection officer will enter inside, insist that all of you must follow him. It's not a crime. Don't allow the police or anybody to intimidate you. That's where I dey pass you and them. No give chance. Me and they follow enter inside. No, I don't go agree you. Inside kuru. Otherwise, this result will not go an answer. It's better they cancel it. And even if they cancel, and we will insist that we will follow you. If you know feel me here, if you turn to pussy and now here, we'll beat you well for a lady and gentleman way. You will follow him. They will insist. Instead that they will only, even outside what the party gave, the returning officer, their party agents. Party agent, if they want to intimidate party agent now will insist. So the party agent and 2 or 3 other persons will follow. they tell you now, learn. You will keep arguing. If you argue it, you're wasting your time. I'm telling you what you will do to achieve what you want. I'm telling you. You will follow them. That's how they do them. I do it in my local government. You know if you can't lock me as I know agree. You know go figure out enter inside. I'm the most popular youth in Ngobala local government. You know go fit try am with me. If I even see those godfathers so they did get election, I go embarrass you. Now me go even waka. Before army will follow them. This thing they do like film. I'm not telling you super story. I will walk down to you and say, Oga, wait till you come to Thunder Babu Okwaga. Why you know the fit contest for election? Thunder fire this idiot. You to go support me there. Even without you say I go fisty slap you. You they mad. I don't care because I care for the people. I don't care about your own personal interest or God. No, they look your face there. Anyhow you want them, I'll give you because I know they come alone. No. Other things I no go tell you, okay, they go there. I no go talk you hear am here. Now when time reach, you go red. So when we get there, the army no get safe. Forget those police with the patrol up and they want die. They crazy. So all of us go enter inside. When we reach inside, I go not tap the party agent show that I enter inside. Obofola enter, you enter. Then they go enter inside. I go see that side they protect again. No. For other words where they come, other words that are coming. Once we achieve them, the ones who don't win, I know already. You know the word won and don't win already. You go there, make sure say all those words that their collection officers, them or party agents, they don't enter inside. Now to announce them, they know they cannot manipulate it. It's not possible. Guys, no, they go burn down that place. It's not possible. Now, the major returning officer, the major INEC official, we go, they wreck himself, go by force. Then go call Ward 1. Ward 1 go waka come with the microphone. He go submit. He will announce what he saw. Camera everywhere. They don't have chance to manipulate anything. Stop being afraid of these idiots. Them. They don't get capacity to pass you. You are the only person that is afraid. They know that you are afraid. I'm opening your sense. They know that you are afraid. They don't get level. If you shoot go hard, they go run. Oh. Then they know if you even stand. If you see where a returning officer, correction officer is coming, he's afraid of his life. He the fear because the first stuff for blow your head come out. That madness will know you to know him. Don't be afraid of them. If they hold gun, you buy machete. Then too they fear machete too. You don't need to follow them carry gun. You go. Don't give them space. And not be only them get that monopoly of violence now. They fear the people. They're afraid of them. God. Do you know that no aspirant can come to that local government alone? All of them, they come with crowd. This thing is something I don't do now. All of them go come with crowd. Go and ask. In Ngobala last year during the chairmanship election, I was the only person who was going around for campaign. They thought they were doing a vote to me. But I was becoming more popular, more grassrooted than those people who claim. They only stay in Owerri and announce themselves winner inside one particular room. These are idiots. The local government chairperson is an idiot before me. Ngobala local government chairperson is an idiot before me. That she don't want to tell anything to me. If I they come self now, fear go lamb. She can't move alone. Me, I they come out for crowd. I can come out alone. Can come anywhere. You need to see the massive love. I can come anywhere. And I've impacted in lives more than how. She not be anybody. And I'm telling you open here. My people they watch this video. She's a nobody. Federal House of Representative member, formal and present, I cannot move freely like me. Don't be afraid of these people. Don't stop guiding your mentality with this approach that they are afraid. Go and make yourself popular in your area. What rigs the election is popularity. They cannot rig where they are popular, where they are not popular. Let me tell you, before they rig, in some areas they will say, no go walk there. They will be afraid. Even if they send their machineries will be afraid because people will burn you fire. Good night. My name is Governor Zogo. Have sense. With time, you go learn from me. Just stay quiet. You don't need to abuse yourself. If you stay calm here, you go learn. If you stay calm here, you will learn. Good night. See you some other time. It's a new day. It's a new day, man. So and I want to wish you a happy new month. It is the first day of September 2025. My name is Governor Zioko, some of the great Shannon Good night to you.